Day 6. And magpa-breakfast ulit kami sa Bonnie Beef Breakfast Restaurant. Then magkakompi kami. And then mag-fo kami. Then after magpapamassage kami ng 2 hours. And then heading to airport. Then after mag-massage, punta na kami ng airport. Then lahat yon yung kain ng Bonnie Beef Breakfast, Kongpe, then pho. Gagawin namin yun before mag 10 o'clock kasi 10 o'clock yung massage namin. So dapat bago mag-airport, makain na namin lahat yun. Kasi uwi na kami ng Philippines. We're here again for our last day. It's 8 o'clock a.m. Go order ka na. Hello guys, we're here again. Last day.
To this one, the 17.
Yeah.
And then
How would you rate your breakfast?
it's always
Bonnie Beef Breakfast
it's
Restaurant.
always 1 million out of 10.
Oh, you're always OA match. On the way na kami sa Egg Yolk Coffee. 10 minutes away lang ulit.
Bigla naman tayo.
Egg Yolk. Good morning. Okay, 1 egg coffee.
One egg coffee.
Yeah.
We have hot or ice.
Is it going to be hot? That one, your signature, or
Yes, hot is limited. If you like strong, you can order hot. If you like sweet, you can order ice.
okay? But can I have the egg coffee on the hotter side? But just give me a glass of ice. Can?
In medium size is a half cup egg. And
Okay.
last side is a full cup egg. It's different than medium and last side.
Okay. So I had. Yun na lang. It's giving. Wow. Here you go, ma'am, sir. Complimentary tea.
What's that?
What did you order?
Matcha.
June.
Where's matcha?
Matcha is this one. Matcha.
Wow, I like it.
Begin by tasting the freshly whipped egg yolk and experience the fresh and creamy bliss. So, ito mo lang. Egg yolk. Sarap, lasang merengue. Lasang merengue. Pour the freshly whipped espresso shot into the egg cream as you... Okay. Using a spoon gently stir, drink, enjoy and pair with the double section of pastries. Okay. Pero lasang egg, lasang merengue, ang sarap. No?
Una, titikman mo muna tong egg yolk. Egg yolk kasi ito yung sikat. Then, for the
Egg yolk na coffee.
nilahat mo?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, gara... May natapon.
And then,
Kita.
there is
Egg yolk na coffee.
halin lang.
So on the way na ako sa spa clinic. Then si Keki, si Arvin, dumaan muna siya sa the new playground kasi ibabalik niya yung damit. Wrong size, papapalitan niya lang. So ako mauna na ako sa spa clinic kasi magti 10 o'clock na. So doon na lang kami magkikita. Pakuluan na yung paa ko. Yung paa ng dinosaur. Perfect. And of course, I'm watching The Loot in Apple TV.
My great aunt Lucia is having it. I'm a Swiftie. Knew it. I knew it.
Of course, whatever makes you comfortable.
Feel so rejuvenated. Ano naman ang next?
Baby girl.
Schedule by schedule. Bawal sabay-sabay. Tabi na ayos na ate sa boko. Tabi ayos na ate sa boko, Kegi.
Maganda nga eh.
Sarap. Worth it. Worth it ang 300. Worth it ang 700 pesos, be. The way to... crab, ano to lang? Crab noodle baba. Ano na tayo pupunta airport? 30. So we're 1 minute away. You know the food is good pag ganito yung daanan. Tingnan na mukha mo kung makiwas. Diba? Ang galing ng ano ni ate.
Yung magic siya na.
Tsaka parang pagod na pagod siya sa atin. 4 hours na tayo minamassage. Tangina, ito na yata. Saan dito? Ang dami pala dito kanina.
180 to yun eh.
Siya. Balo kayo.
Last round. And also, one more.
Correct. Itong green na sauce. Then, patis. Then, chopstick. So, parang lomi. Na?
Itsura lang, pero hindi siya
Oo.
malayo.
Yung ano na, texture na lomi, pero sabay sarap.
Oh my God, ang sarap. May lasa rin siyang coke. Pero dahil sa dun sa ano, daw.
Sarap.
Maraming texture ng noodles.
Tsaka na siya. Shrimp. Squid ball.
Well, egg.
Well egg. Well
Beef. Meron din siya nung ito
Yan.
this one. Rate this mas masarap pa to sa pho.
Yeah. Legit. And the whole food is 130 pesos pa.
Buti na lang pinuntahan natin to bago tayo umuwi. Tsaka ang sarap ng chicharon nila. Camera niya.
So yeah, pauwi na kami ng Airbnb, magpapak na ulit kami. Huling hirit, may kasya pa. Sobra pa, like ang gaan pa nung namin, maleta. So last standby, magko-coffee muna kami here. Mga 20 minutes lang naman. Then tsaka kami, uwi na ng Airbnb, malapit lang naman to. This is the view. Ito ang tambayan. Tamang pausok lang.